Hello friend, all these indoor plants are growing nicely in this room. The plants are very healthy. In this video, we are going to watch best indoor plants that can grow well in low light and enhance the beauty of any room. So video is going to be very interesting. Let's get started. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. I am making this video at night from this room of indoor plants. Watch the video till the end so that you can watch all the very beautiful indoor plants. Little greenery inside the house not only enhance the beauty but we can get healthy air. Let's start with this beautiful plant flamingo lily, also known as anthurium. This is a perfect plant to add a beautiful color to any room. These flowering plants come in many beautiful colors. They flower all time in the year. She loves bright indirect sunlight. Here is another beautiful color, maroon. They need water 1 to 2 times a week. It is an air purifying plant recommended by NASA. Let's watch the second plant, Trumanthe trioster, also known as Marantha tricolor. This plant is native to Brazil. It's a beautiful decorative plant. Various shades of green, white, cream and pink come together to make great looking. This beautiful plant prefers bright indirect light. Water about once a week to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Fertilize 1 to 2 times per month in the spring and summer with indoor plant food. This plant can be grown in a decorative indoor pots. Let's watch the third plant, Aglaonema plant. This is a beautiful plant to grow in low light. They are popular for their beautiful leaves. They come in many beautiful colors. It's a very low maintenance plant. We will watch some beautiful colors of Aglaonema here. They prefer very well drained potting mix. Watch some beautiful colors here. It can enhance the beauty of any room. All these plants are growing nicely inside this room. These plants come in many beautiful varieties. Let's watch a white and green combination. Here it is. It's a beautiful variety. This bright plant works well in low light area. Let's watch the next plant. Snake plant. This succulent is pretty easy when it comes to maintenance. It is air purifying plant recommended by NASA. More light will help it grow, but it can tolerate darkness. It's a beautiful indoor plant. Boston fern. They can play important role in interior design. They look great in hanging baskets. They thrive in partially shady indoor and outdoor locations. This gorgeous plant develops bright green. Like all ferns, they love humidity. So regular watering keeps this plant happy. To minimize leaf drop, sufficient watering during winter is very important. When it comes to colorful leaves, few houseplants offer as many options as Diefenbachia. They are very gorgeous tropical plants. Chinese evergreen, it's a most durable indoor plant. Yellow and green or white and green leaves are very attractive. They do prefer some bright indirect light. Dieffenbachia is poisonous, so keep it out of reach of children and pets. Spider plant. This beautiful plant needs indirect sunlight and can survive in just about any condition. They are air purifying plant and remove the toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. It's a very attractive indoor plant. The leaves are very beautiful. Palms make beautiful look in any room. It does well in low light area. Palm only needs to be watered when the soil feels dry to the touch. It's a very low maintenance plant. Green leaves are very beautiful. Erica palms are great for bigger space. They are the powerhouse when it comes to eliminating toxins from the air. It's a non-toxic plant. Look after them with lots of water during summer, but not as much in winter. We can grow some beautiful succulent in low light area. Beautiful cactus are growing inside this room. Let's watch some another beautiful succulents. They can enhance the beauty of any room. Let's watch some more beautiful cactus here. Devil's ivy or pothos is an easy to grow indoor house plant. It adds instant color to any room. Pothos grow well in water, pots and hanging baskets. Rubber plant. These evergreen plants are very hardy and grow well in low light area. They prefer weekly watering in summer and fortnightly watering in winter. Rubber plants can grow well in small pots. They can also be encouraged to grow into a large indoor tree in pots. Rubber plant is air purifying plant recommended by NASA because they remove the toxins like xylene, benzene, formaldehyde and trichloroethylene from the air. It can enhance the beauty of any room. I hope you find this video useful. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss a video. I will be very happy if you please let me know down below in the comment section what are the other plants on which I should make a video for you. Thank you for watching this video.